No. Are those my legs? My little legs? Feeling the sunshine and breeze of 2023. What a delightful spring day. Let's go, hams. Let's go. Not really wearing my walking shoes because we're just picking up the kid, but you know, one step at a time. Hi guys, how are you? I'm doing great. See you later. Bye. Hi. We're at the park/lake. We've been here for quite some time, enjoying the sunshine and the great outdoors. And it just occurred to me right now how much you guys love a freaking outdoor vlog. So, despite it being Wednesday, looking at the wrong side of the phone, despite the ambulance and the paramedics, despite it being the middle of the month, you know what? I'm gonna bring you guys along. Why not? I'm wearing shorts. Full clip. No, but seriously, look at this day. Hi. There's the lake. It's been a while. We saw a boat before. It had like a tiki thing. It's cool. Grass is growing. Look at all those little feathers. Can't wait to see all the babies. Meet the new mamas. All right. Buddy, oh, you're pulling my pants down. Hi. Who's first? You first? Good girl. Good girl. You, sir? You ready? Oh, that's not nice. Good boy. You should go good. Yes, I missed you too. Ready to go? Let's go. On our way back from our walk. They're a little tired now. As am I. But this hair though. What's going on with this hair today? Hello. Beatrice. Why are you breathing so heavy? She's like a puppy. Hey guys, welcome to the planner. Let's give it a little flip-de-doo, shall we? Check out all the stickers and the junk ephemera, garbage ephemera, if you will. My little belly band here, which I currently cannot find, and it's driving me crazy. I'll keep you guys posted. This is another one of my bookmarks, my monthlies, June, July, so on, the fall, the winter, a note page and a bit more of ephemera, kind of like a splash page before you go into the weeklies. How fun are these? And then the current state of the planner. I'm weighing my options, people. I'm looking at these pages. I'm thinking, I love you, planner, but can I be in you for the rest of the year? The answer was no. It's taken me all month to get you this footage. I did show off some of it over on Instagram to my close friends. Thank you to my Patreons. I also pulled out my Stology and I got to work on setting up months, setting up weeks. Well, actually, I'm not setting up, more than just the week ahead or whatever. Working very organically in it. I missed drawing my own lines. Sometimes I get upset about drawing my own lines. Here we're drawing the weekly in. I found Planner Peace with the setup of the planner. It was mostly about the paper for me. The Amazon KDP paper was just not working out for me. I also was lacking the kind of space and freedom that I have always fought for in my planner system. Pages in between my weeklies. You can kind of spot a little kitty behind underneath the table. We're back in Stology. I love the way my Tombow just glides on the paper. The color looks like it's supposed to. My Sarasa clip pens, which I'm still using because I want to make sure that I use what I have. So I mostly pull out the 0.7 and 0.3 during setups, and then I use, I'll show you in a minute what I use the rest of the week. But oh my God, the ink is so low on this one especially. And then I have my Sarasa Multi, which is my 2023 pen, which again houses 0.5 brown ink. It also has purple, red, black, and of course the pencil function, which I love. But like I said, I want to make sure that I use everything, and I do. And I've enjoyed my Sarasa clip pens for as long as I've had them. And brown was definitely my color. Love it. So yeah. So do you see my fancy ring? My fancy ring comes courtesy of my little one. She's Shanice from the Sleepless Page. Her daughter made her some fancy jewelry, so can't leave mama behind. There it is, all set up. And it was like 10 o'clock at night. And I was so happy, but look at this chunky monkey. So I considered surgery. And the next morning, we went in. And we removed, by we, I mean my hands. I removed the 52, not 52 because we're in like week 17 now, but I did remove all of the extra note pages that were blank. I removed the extra pages. Yes, this is me hacking my own planner. The planner that I designed to be my planner piece. I have no regrets. It's, it's all a learning experience. I love that I created it, but I also love that I can put my emotional attachments aside and just be creative and be happy and use what I have, which was the most important part. The fact that I already had the Stology like cut and just sitting there. I knew we would eventually figure out what to do with it. Yeah, this is a postcard that. Is it a post? No, it's from, I think it was like from National Geographic. It was a magazine or something. Or from one of those trip books. Anyways, it was really cute. So it's now sitting in the back. Packing tape! Packing tape for the Rambling Rescue. I picked up some packing tape because I knew that this would require some reinforcements. When I pulled out the larger chunk from behind, I ripped out a lot of the glue from the middle. And so literally my journal is held together with tape. Very few of the pages were actually, it's a glue journal. Like, I should have been more careful, but in the morning I was so invigorated and I was so resolute in my. It takes me a long time to make decisions, especially like, it looks like, oh yeah, she just cuts her journals and no big deal. But like, this decision required some serious meditating, medication, and overthinking. You think I'm joking, but I'm really not. Anywho, no pages were lost during the making of this planner journal situation. I love it. It's so satisfying. It's so satisfying to, not lose any of the progress that I was making and still be able to continue. So I will continue to set up my my weekly spreads as I have been in a, what is that? I don't know. Vertical way? Is that vertical or horizontal? I don't even know. And then I'll have the facing page continue being like that junk journal where I'm collecting the stickers and the garbage ephemera. And then, but the system is not as rigid because all of the pages aren't already accounted for. In the Stology, I have an overwhelming number of blank pages where I'll be able to do other fun, creative pages that maybe feel personal to me, but and don't belong in my sketchbook, if that makes any sense. And only creative people with multiple journals understand what how one comes to the to such rules, or whatever. But that, whatever, the piece of art dictates which book it goes in. And so my planner, my everyday carry felt like it needed, there are days where I get a lot of signs and synchronicities and I want to write those down. I get a really cool quote. I want to write that down. I want to, get back to those days where I was watercoloring like a really cool sunset, stuff that I don't particularly plan to sell or have as product, but still the art aspect of it, the creativity aspect, was missing from my journal. And it's a fight. I can find planner peace. That's not my problem. My problem is coming to terms with the amount of creativity I share in one journal versus a sketchbook versus what I share with my public, as opposed to what I can't, I'm on my way to work. In a few minutes, I will be walking right by here with the pups, but check out who's on the move. I don't want to scare him, even though my car's small. This thing is pretty big, though. Bye-bye. I wonder if I'll see it on the way back. I wouldn't want the dogs to go crazy, though. Take your time, buddy. I want to make sure it makes it all the way across, just in case there's cars coming the other way. There it goes. Are you all tucked in? Totally gonna look like one of the rocks down there. Wow. Wonder how many times I've walked right past it. Nah. Need the name. see them?
Oh, thank God.
They are the cutest things ever. Oh my God.
Oh, I want to die.
Oh my God.
Hey, did anyone bring the lunch bag?
Oh my God, you guys. Oh my God. Hi guys. Guys, this is super important. Check out all the micros at frickin' Dollar Tree. Holy moly! Collect them all! They just say they're full of sheets, but I don't know. Oh, this one has lines. This one has lines also. Look how cute these are. You can pull the sheets out. You know how much I love a project. Hey guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me during the month of April. I hope you guys enjoy all the footage and you show up to watch what I have cooking for May. See you guys in the flip through. Bye.